Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing live sports app to your Firestick or Android TV, which is totally free to use and got hundreds of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader totally free of charge. To do so, you go to search on your device. And now here in the search bar, start typing downloader. So let's do it right now. Start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you gotta click on it. And that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV Stick device. However, after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you'll still have to set it up. So in order to set up downloader on your Fire Stick, we'll now have to go to the settings by clicking that button with the gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here, what you'll have to do is turn on the developer options on your Fire Stick device. However, on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. What you have to do is go to About, then select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. So let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. Then you'll need to go to Install Unknown Apps, open it. And from here, what you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick device. There it is, let's open it. And now here you'll find the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Australia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go straight into the list of apps on your device. And there it is, let's open it again and then go to Downloader. And now what you have to do in here in the application is you just gotta open that search bar. And now in the search bar we'll have to start entering the link, which is gonna be hdstreams.live. So let's enter the links together. Once again, it's gonna be hdstreams.live. So here we go, there's the link, you can see it on your screen right now, so just make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that, you need to click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, when the website has opened, you just have to scroll down a little bit until you find that download for Android button. Let's click on it. And then the website will scroll down a bit, and from here you have to click on the download direct button. Here it is. So we click on it, and now the download of the app should start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so that should take us only a couple of seconds. And now, after the file was downloaded, you have to click on install and make sure to wait until the app is installed on your Firestick. And after that, do not click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. Now, if we'll go to the list of applications on our Firestick, here it is, we'll open it, and there you'll find the app which we just downloaded. So the app is called HD Streams, and now the first thing I would recommend you to do is click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, so you click on it and then press on move to front. This way, HD Streams is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then, let's finally open the application on your Firestick. And now here in this app, you'll get access to hundreds of live channels from all over the world. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.